In today's video, you're gonna learn some of the most effective face yoga exercises for your neck to reduce wrinkles, turkey neck, double chin fat, and also sculpt your jawline. So here you can see my before picture that I had horizontal wrinkles on my neck. By doing these exercises, I reduced these wrinkles. So let's start. These days, most of us are struggling with this problem as we are just looking down on our smartphones and we tend to look down a lot, and this is causing wrinkles on our neck and also double chin, and we are getting these wrinkles at a very young age. I think that this is gonna be like so helpful, and yeah, I think it's better to prevent these wrinkles before they appear on our skin and get deep, so we can cure them naturally without going to doctors for fillers or maybe even surgeries. I don't want that, so I'm sure that you guys don't want that either. So the massages I'm doing today are the most effective ones that I tried on myself, and I got the fastest results, because I know these days everyone is just wanting the quickest way to do something or to fix something. I'm like that too, so no excuses. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I really worked on my neck and I was so focused, and the thing that I've learned through this journey is that you have to keep moisturizing your neck, guys. Like, you know, most of the time we apply moisturizer on our face and we forget our neck area. This happened to me a lot. I used to forget all that area, but since I passed my 20s, by the way, I'm in my mid-30s, guys, and I started to notice some changes in my face and my skin. I think when you are young, you know, in your 20s, you just do whatever you want. Like, you don't care actually about your youth. Maybe we don't understand, I don't know, or we don't appreciate. Yeah, I think that would be a good word to use here. You don't just appreciate the glow that you have or your youth and young skin. As we age and as we get older and we start to lose those, we start to notice changes, and I'm sure that this happened to most of you guys. That's exactly what happened to me, but the difference was that actually that happened to me so sudden, like in one night, and I don't know why, but it really at just one night it happened to me, and I found wrinkles all over my face. And one morning I just woke up and I found wrinkles under my eyes, forehead, and my neck. My skin was dry, it wasn't as elastic anymore, and it was like a shock to me. And actually that was the start of my journey into face yoga, because I didn't want to get Botox or fillers. As you know, guys, I mentioned in one of my videos that I had a very bad experience with Botox once, so I wanted to fix this through natural ways. Most of us are like this. We are just so much into, like, you know, natural things, natural treatment, natural skincare and massages, I know, everything natural. And I'm like that too. And I think we should be more aware of what we are putting on our skin, or like into our skin actually, by injections. We should take care of our skin or our health, especially as a woman. And I think, yeah, this is so important. So guys, I just wanted to share all of this with you because these were the things that were in my mind while I was making this video, and I just recalled all the challenges that I've been through. First, when I found out wrinkles on my neck, and I don't know why I showed a huge reaction to this, but I guess it was the result of it happening so fast and sudden. And I needed time to process that actually. I was kind of scared at first. I started to go to doctors, I started to getting Botox, getting lots of creams, facial oils, and face massagers. And I was like, oh my god, what's happening? why am I getting old so fast? Yesterday I wasn't like this. But then after I processed all of that, I found out about face yoga and I started to make it a daily thing. And I'm gonna be honest with you here, guys. Like, at first, I wasn't even positive towards face yoga, and I was like, this is just a myth, it's not gonna work. But I just wanted to give it a try, and I put like 5 minutes of my day into face yoga exercises to just see if it works or not. And I was pretty sure that it's not gonna work. But after a week, I was like, OMG, to see how much difference it made in only 7 days. And also people around me, they started to notice the changes in my face and my neck. But they were like, asking me that, did you do something? But what? That was the enjoyable part of all of that. And I was like, nothing. So long story short, these exercises really helped me to reduce the look of wrinkles and transform the deep wrinkles into fine lines. If you are in a situation like me, or if you went through the same things, I just wanted to say that don't worry, there's always a way to solve problems. I hope you enjoyed today's routine. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and share this video, and also subscribe to my channel for more beauty tips and a lot more. See you next video. Bye.